Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So, do you want to edit videos with InShot on your laptop? So, InShot is basically a powerful mobile video editor, but you can also use it on your PC or Mac. In this video, I'll show you how to download and use your InShot on your laptop step by step. So, let's just get right into it. InShot is officially a mobile app, but you can also use it on your laptop. Here's how. Download and install BlueStacks from BlueStacks.com. Open BlueStacks and sign in with your Google account. Go to Google App Store and install InShot like you would on your phone. So method 2, this was method 1 by the way. Method 2 was use the web version if available. Check InShot has released a PC version of WebShow on this. You can see here in the App Store, Google App and export on gallery. Now you're ready to edit any videos on your laptop. So open InShot, click on the video to import clips, use the timeline to trim, cut or merge videos, add your music, text, stickers and everything you want to add, adjust the filters, effects and speed settings, tap export to save your videos in HD quality. Pro tip, if you're using an emulator, enable high performance mode for smoother editing. Now, InShots on a laptop gives you all these features and you love from the mobile app, including your easy drag and drop, text fonts, trendy music, slow motion, and all export in 4K or 1080 resolution. But remember, since it runs on an emulator, it may not be as fast as PC-based editors like Premiere Pro and CapCut. So with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.